ARK Drops, created by ARK of Sweden, are liquid supplements marketed as a breathe and focus formula. The company claims these drops can improve breathing, enhance mental clarity, and boost energy. Unlike conventional supplements, ARK Drops are positioned as a natural way to improve oxygen intake and focus. While they are not FDA approved, the manufacturer states that the product is made under good manufacturing practices (GMP) for safety and quality. Customer reviews of ARK Drops are mixed, which makes it difficult to give a straightforward verdict. On the official website, the majority of buyers leave positive feedback. Many users report that the drops make them feel more alert, breathe more easily, and even sleep better. Some claim that ARK Drops have helped with snoring and mild sleep apnea symptoms, suggesting that there may be benefits for those with breathing difficulties. For these users, the product seems to work as advertised. However, independent reviews tell a different story. On platforms like Trustpilot and Amazon, a significant number of customers complain that the drops do not deliver any noticeable effects. Critics often describe the product as nothing more than a strong mint with a high price tag. Some also accuse the company of misleading marketing, reporting that customer service is unresponsive and that refund requests are difficult. Others mention side effects such as nausea or dizziness, further fueling skepticism. Overall, ARK Drops appear to sit somewhere in between a helpful supplement and an overhyped product. They are not necessarily a scam since many people do report real benefits, but they are far from a guaranteed solution. Results seem to depend heavily on individual expectations and sensitivity. If you're hoping for a refreshing boost in focus or breathing, ARK Drops might provide some value. But if you expect dramatic or clinical health improvements, you are likely to be disappointed. Conclusion: ARK Drops are not a miracle cure, nor are they outright fraudulent. They may work for some people as a mild aid for breathing and focus, but the mixed reviews highlight the importance of tempered expectations. For the price, potential buyers should weigh the possibility of experiencing only a minty sensation against the chance of genuine improvement in focus and respiration.